Tom, wake up, my dear.
It's morning now. School time is coming.
Just 5 minutes, please.
Tom, the alarm is ringing. Don't be late again.
Okay, Mom, I'm awake. My head's I don't feel...
Tom, this is not the time to sleep.
Why is school so early? I wish I could sleep more.
Stop complaining, Tom. Be quick.
Why? Brush properly, Tom. Don't be lazy.
I am doing it. I will finish it later. I won't forget it. I promise not. Tom, are you ready for school?
Where's my tie? I can't find it. You never keep your things properly. Always careless. I'm getting late. Where's my math book? Hurry up, Tom! Bus leave on! Ah!
Tom, hurry up. You'll be late.
Coming, Mom. I'm ready. Let's go.
Good morning. Sit properly. Start your day well. Don't rush too much.
Hi, Tom. You're late again. You should wake up early, like me.
Tom, listen carefully. Don't rush your morning. Always check your things. Be responsible. Tom, this is important. Are you listening?
Yes, Dad. I need you to really understand.
I understand. I'll remember.
But don't worry, Dad.
Here is your breakfast. Eat properly. Take your time. Don't rush too much.
Okay, Mommy. Thanks, Mom.
I'm in a hurry.
I don't want to be late. I'll eat fast.
It's okay, Tom.
It's okay, Tom.
I'm going now.
Bye, everyone.
See you later. Have a good day.
Take care, Tom. Study well. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. I'll do my best. Today feels a little different, but it's a good morning. I'll try my best today. Let's go, Tom, Pom.
I feel okay, but something is strange. Maybe I'm just thinking too much. It's nothing.
Hey, Tom. Good morning. Come fast. We're getting late. Let's go together. Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah, I'm coming. Wait for me.
It's a nice day.
Let's go.
I wonder, what if I try it? Maybe today is a good day. I can do this. I think I can.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning.
Sit here. Teacher's not here yet.
Okay, we have time. I'll sit here. Thanks. Today will be easy. I did my work. I'm prepared. Nothing can go wrong.
Good morning, class. Sit properly. Stay quiet. We will begin. Take out your homework. I will check it now. Be ready. No delay.
Yes. It's here. I remember Borness. I did everything meant. Wait. Wow. Where is it? No, Bat. This can't be best. Oh no, I forgot my homework. How could I forget? I hope the teacher is kind to it. This is bad. Where is it? It should be here. I need it now. I can't find it! It's on my desk. I left it at home. I should have checked. I need to be careful next time, babe. Everyone has it. I forgot mine. This is scary. I feel bad.
Check your homework, everyone. The teacher is coming. I must stay calm. Tom, is everything okay?
I forgot my homework. I'm sorry. I will bring it tomorrow. I will be careful next time.
I'm sorry, teacher. I left my homework at home. I will bring it tomorrow. I will be careful next time. It's all right, Tom. Thank you for telling me. I forgot. I feel bad.
It's okay, Tom. We all make mistakes.
It was my mistake. I will fix it next time. I forgot. I feel bad. It was my mistake. I will fix it next time. Class is over. I still feel worried. I must remember homework next time. I will do better tomorrow. I need to be ready. I will check everything. I won't forget again. I feel so responsible now. It's my responsibility. I need to be careful. I should plan better. I won't forget again.
I forgot my homework today. Bad. I must plan ahead. Tomorrow I will do better.
I'm home. Mom will notice my face. I hope she understands. I need to tell the truth.
Tom, you look upset. What happened today? Did something go wrong at school? Tell me, I'm here to listen.
Tom, I know you forgot your homework. It's okay, mistakes happen. But you need to be responsible. Next time, be careful and plan ahead.
Okay, Dad. I'll try.
I know you will.
I understand, Dad. I will be careful. I will plan better. I won't forget again.
Responsibility is important, Tom. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is learning from them. Plan carefully next time.
Here it is. I left it on the table. I need to be careful. I won't forget again. I will be ready tomorrow. I will check everything. I must be responsible. I won't forget again.
Today, I learned something important.
Yes, always remember your homework.
And always be responsible.
Mistakes are okay, but we must learn. Are you learning English with us? Then don't forget
Like and subscribe.
for more daily videos.
Learn English step by step